In 18th century Australia, a bizarre conflict took flight, the so-called Parrot War. Watch these colorful raiders descend on farmland. Farmers battled swarms, stealing grain, fruit, and seeds. Crops vanishing overnight, livelihoods at risk, chaos spreading from paddock to town. Parrots mimicked voices, garbling messages, false warnings, misdirected deliveries, even troop orders. Confused by cheeky copycats, the military stepped in. Patrols, nets, drummers, decoys. Soldiers tried everything. Parrots adapted fast, dodging traps with nimble, noisy teamwork. Here's the backdrop: sparse settlements, vast frontiers. On maps, supply lines were thin.